Juicing a pomegranate is pretty easy. You just need a cup and not being afraid to make a little bit of a mess. All I'm doing is putting my thumb inside my hand and squeezing. And then just discard the seeds. So that one handful gave me a good amount of juice. You're just gonna take some ice on water. You can drink it straight, it's perfectly good. It's not super tart like cranberry juice, it's sweet. But a little goes a long way. So you don't have to have a deep maroon colored juice, you just need a reasonably pink sort of drink. And you can scatter a few fresh ones in there for color. And it's very good for you. It is full of vitamin C, full of vitamin B6. And you know, there is some natural sugar in there, so do be careful with that. But on a daily basis, you can certainly drink this and get your vitamins that way. So as always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe. If you like these kind of in-depth videos about certain ingredients like fruits and vegetables that might be a little more rare, because these are kind of Persian, Mediterranean, popular in Morocco, not necessarily Dallas, Texas. So it is interesting to learn a little bit more about the ingredients at our grocery store. So thanks for watching.